put the lids on it. Yeah, I used every bit of that grass that we bought and then ended up buying some more.
That's so funny. Okay, yeah, all you gotta do is take, I put clips on them, so I just figured that's an easier way to carry them.
Oh yeah, definitely. Are these all three the same, or is there?
I think so. I think there's probably a
grass to the pond, or
no, it's going to split the difference. So we'll lay some of it over and some of it back.
I got you.
All right, if you want to grab the zip ties. All right, we'll need 6 to start with for the back. There's 4, 2 more. I'll put them on. You can clip them. How's that?
Sounds like a plan.
All right. Homemade hinges. All right,
perfect.
One. There's 2. Good grief, I'm sweating.
Yeah, it was getting toasty inside there, I noticed.
It's going to blend right in, dude.
I know it.
I don't know that we're going to need to go cut any cane and do any additional, but we might decide we need to. It just, we'll wait and see what it looks like.
I was gonna say, I don't think we'll need to now. I think what we may do is come back shortly before time and then just take a peek and then see
Right.
if we want to dress it in.
So what we want to do now, just kind of part the grass a bit and have some on the front, some on the back. It doesn't have to be 100% covered. It just needs enough to break it up. Plus, we want to be able to see out of it. Yeah. All right, and then what we can do is